How to download YouTube videos on a PC or a laptop. Want to watch YouTube videos without an internet connection? I'll show you the official way to download YouTube videos to your PC or laptop so you can watch them anytime, even when you're offline. First, open your preferred web browser. Next, go to youtube.com. Once YouTube loads, open the video you want to download. After the video opens, scroll down just below the video title. If you don't immediately see the download button, click the three-dot menu next to the other video options. Then click Download. To download videos from YouTube, you'll need an active YouTube Premium subscription. If you don't have YouTube Premium yet, check the link in the description where you can learn more or start a free trial if it's available in your region. Once you're ready, click Download. If your browser asks for permission to save the download, click Allow. Wait a few moments while YouTube downloads the video. When the download is complete, you'll notice the option changes, confirming the video has been saved for offline viewing. If this tutorial helped you download YouTube videos successfully, subscribe for more quick YouTube tips and step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you